Hello guys, today we are going to how to solve the Rubik Cube. Okay, I'm getting this. This is Rubik. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how. First, click this up. Okay, done. Okay, done. Let's wait, it's loading. Then click this 3 times 3 cube. Then solve. Click solve. Okay. Now copy the color of your Rubik's. And then add. Okay. Okay. This game is awesome. To solve your Rubik, right? Okay. No, I'm wrong. Kidding. Rewrite. Okay. Okay. If you're done, click this. The solve. Okay. Yay. Okay. Then solve it. Ding. Okay. I'm gonna copy. Okay. Again. This is my little bit. Why? Hello, okay. Oh, this is easy. Okay, again. Okay, but I'm wrong here. But oh, it's correct. Okay. Okay. We're almost done. Almost done. Okay. Oh, yeah. Then I solve it all. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. It's a secret. Okay? Let's go up. I don't know. It's our secret. Subscribe. Wait, I'm wrong. Subscribe. Okay, not that. No. So many. I can reset. Oh, let's try again. It's easy. It's our secret now, okay? 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. No. 2. Have. Okay. Labubu. Okay. If you don't subscribe, you have no labubu. Understand it, okay? If you subscribe, you have labubu. If you don't subscribe, you have no labubu. Okay, see you again. Bye. Wait. I'm gonna clean this up first. Okay, bye-bye. See you again tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Okay? Bye, guys. Turn off.